Alright, so we're gonna be test fitting some a big brake kit that I bought for the Volvo. So this 20-year-old Volvo station wagon is gonna get a big brake kit upgrade. But first I'm gonna need to get these painted, and I bought the Brembos. So it's actually for the Renault Megane or Megane, whatever you wanna call it. They're so goddamn big. Here you can see perhaps, but it says Renault right here. It's the 4-piston brake calipers. These are some 320 millimeters of brake discs, ventilated and slit. But these brakes are so incredibly big. They're gonna fit, I'm pretty sure. We have the adapter right there for the EVO 1 to 3. But yeah, no, but they're so incredibly big, and I didn't think they were gonna be this big. They should fit within the 17-inch wheels, but we'll see how much of a spacer I need, if I even need a spacer, but I do think that. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, check out the difference. I mean, yeah, the Brembo one is huge. It should brake way better, way harder, and more importantly, it's not going to fade. I mean, that's the biggest problem I've had. So yeah, no, that's gonna be great. Holy shit, it's gonna look so cool on the car. I had to remove the brake disc and then add the adapter on first. I think, I don't know. We'll see how it all comes together. But I think now, so I've just hand tightened this. I think now I'll put on the disc, and then after that we're gonna put on the calipers. It is mounted, it is assembled, it looks insane on the car. Oh my god. Man, I remember playing Need for Speed Underground 2 as a kid, and also like just a few years ago. And they had the Brembos on the front cover of the game, and it looks just like that. It looks so good. Holy shit, these are massive. Like, they are so fucking big. Okay, well, I'm gonna see if I can't put the original. Let's see if the camera can. Yeah, probably not gonna pick it up, but I'm gonna put away the original brake caliper and then test fit the wheel to see how well it all fits. But that looks good. I think we all can agree on that. Oh my god. Okay, so it definitely runs and rubs against the brake rotor. So I think, yeah, I mean, I always knew I would need a spacer, but this just confirms it. However, what I'm gonna try is to see if my 16-inch BBS wheels fit. However, just looking at the fitment on this, I don't think they're gonna fit at all. I don't think they're gonna fit at all, actually. I'm not even gonna try it. If they fit, perfect. If they don't, doesn't matter. I will buy spacers anyways. If they were going to fit, I would need spacers no matter what. So I think I'll try that later on. But yeah, so this was just to try the brakes on. What I'm gonna do is remove them, take them to a paint shop and have them painted. And yeah, I guess we'll probably cut to that. Okay, so here is everything that is gonna get painted. I've masked everything off. We have these sway bars from Ultra Racing. I just masked off the metal plate here from them. Looks very nice actually. And the Brembos here as well. Masked off the inside where the pistons sit. Also anything that like wasn't painted. So I guess this is where the brake pads go. And I also have these Hella horns. We'll see how they fit on the Volvo. Usually they're reserved for the Subarus, but I think they're gonna look really nice under the grille. Also the original rear brakes. I'm not gonna upgrade them because, as you can see, they have this rear handbrake contraption. So basically, when you pull the rear handbrake, you actually brake with the discs and the brake pads. You don't have like a drum brake or anything else that the handbrake is activating. So because of that, it's very hard to upgrade these rear calipers on both the EVO, the Charismas, if anyone is modifying the Charismas. But yeah, so you can't really upgrade them for the Volvo either, unless you're like making some big changes. But yeah, so this is everything that's gonna get painted. I'm very excited. Alright guys, got the Brembo brakes, got the Hella horns, rear brakes, the braces. Everything has been painted yellow. It looks magnificent. It looks so good. I mean, this is just shining. We put some clear coat on the face of the brake caliper, so it's not on the entire caliper, just here where the sticker is. It was hard to, we could only buy a clear coat that was heat resistant in a spray can and not put it in like a spray gun. So it was just easiest to just do the front here, but it looks so good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some ceramic coating on everything here, and then I'm just gonna mount everything on the car. So yeah, I'm super excited for this. It came out really nice. I hope the wind isn't too much now, but yeah, it came out so nice. Got the Ultra Racing logo here. It looks great. It looks absolutely fantastic. It looks like I did a good job with the masking. So yeah, no, it's time to assemble everything and mount it on the car.